Following a swoop by the Cyber Security Authority, the Bank of Ghana and the Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, will be bringing you details of that story and more shortly. Good evening and welcome to Business Brief here on TV3. My name is Michael Obodu. Before we bring you the top stories, let's find out some other business stories that have been making the round today.
An economist at the University of Ghana, Dr. Patrick Esumin, says government needs to have a second look at its strategies for honoring financial commitments made to the people. Dr. Esumin has expressed worry about the way government is handling the financial obligations to the bondholders. He explained that with the coming on board a $3 billion IMF deal, government must explain to the people the need to make adjustments to their lives in order to help ensure a successful IMF program. Bank of Ghana will sell $120 million to bulk oil distribution companies, BDCs. This is under the Forex Forward auction calendar for the third quarter of 2023. The Forex support is to ease cash challenges of the BDCs in terms of dollar for oil importation. Apple supplier Foxconn has pulled out of a $19.5 billion deal with Indian mining company Vedanta to build a chip-making plant in the country. The move comes less than a year after the companies announced plans to set up the facility in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's home state of Gujarat. Some analysts say it marks a setback to the nation's technology industry goals.
Well, let's bring you our first story now, as Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta is optimistic the IMF review in September will go well for the country to go to the board in November for the second tranche of the bailout. According to him, preparations for the second tranche is far advanced and is hopeful government will continue to commit to fiscal discipline in order to meet conditions under the program. He was addressing the media at the Ghana Trade Fair Redevelopment Project Investor Conference organized in Accra.
We had an IMF visit maybe 3 weeks ago. That went well. The review will happen in September. And so far, you know, between Parliament and Cabinet, we've gone through most of the qualitative performance criteria. So we expect that the review in September will go well to get an SLA, and then we will go to the board in November. God always puts the country through, and I think with all of your help, all of us speaking the same language, managing our bond investors for patience, we'll get there. I'm confident about that.
Now, the Cyber Security Authority, the Bank of Ghana, and the Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, in a joint swoop arrested over 420 suspects engaged in loan app operations. The three entities on Monday, July 10, rounded up the over 420 suspects as part of a joint cybersecurity committee operation. The swoop involved raids of premises of suspected digital lending app operators in the Greater Accra region. According to the joint cybersecurity committee operation, the operators of these apps engage in privacy and data misuse, extortion, cyberbullying, and death threats. Some of these loan app operators have been engaging in shaming debt defaulters. The joint committee says it is not going to relent in its efforts to protect the public. Well, let's bring you some more stories now. Well, first off, let's check out how the commodity market is faring. Well, the price of cocoa is down by 0.27%. It's now trading for about $3,326 per ton. The price of gold is also up by 0.32%, trading just about $1,931 per ounce. The price of crude oil is also up by 2%. It's trading just at about $79 per barrel. From the commodities market, we head now to the forex market to find out how major trading currencies are faring today. That will be all for Business Brief here on TV3. For more business stories, please check out our website, 3news.com. My name is Michael Obodu. Thank you for watching. As always, please stay safe.